Dear students, today we are going to discuss The Merchant of Venice, Act 4, Scene 1, from line 35. Shylock, I have possessed your grace of what I purpose, and by our holy Sabbath have I sworn to have the due and forfeit of my bond. Here Shylock says, I have already informed you about my intentions and I have sworn an oath by the Sabbath. Children, Sabbath is the seventh day of Jewish week and it is also the holy festival of the Jews. Shylock says that he is sworn by Sabbath that he will take his forfeiture and therefore he cannot step back from it. If you deny it, let the danger light upon your charter and your city's freedom. Here Shylock says, if you refuse me the justice, if you deny me the justice, you will endanger the municipal charter. Charter here refers to the document by which Venice was given freedom. So, in case Duke denies justice to Shylock, the danger will fall upon the independence of Venice. You'll ask me why I rather choose to have a weight of carrion flesh than to receive 3,000 ducats. Here Shylock says, you can always ask me why I prefer to receive a quantity of dead or rotten flesh rather than 3,000 ducats. I will not answer that and I will give no other answer to that. But say, it is my humor. It is answered. I'll not give any other answer except that I please to do so and I am doing it because I want to do it. Is that sufficient answer for you? Further he says, what if my house be troubled with a rat and I be pleased to give 10,000 ducats to have it banned? Here further he says, what does it matter to any person if my house is troubled by a rat, my house is affected by a rat, and I choose to spend 1,000 ducats to have it poisoned, and if I give 10,000 ducats to any person who can poison it? What? Are you answered yet? Some men, there are love, not a gaping. Gaping here means with open mouth, pig. Some that are mad if they behold a cat, and others when the bagpipe sings. I, the nose, cannot contain their urine. Further, he asks, is that answer satisfactory? There are certain men who have an aversion to a gaping pig. There are some people who do not like the look of an open pig head when it is roasted and hang out in open. There are some other type of people who go mad at the sight of a cat. And there are some other kind of people who cannot maintain their usual balance of conduct when they hear the shrill notes of the bagpipe. For affection, mistress of passion, sways it to the mood of what it likes or loathes. Loathes here means dislikes. Here Shylock says that there is no sense trying to explain people's likes and dislikes. Now, for your answer, as there is no firm reason to be rendered why he cannot abide a gaping pig, why he a harmless necessary cat, why he a woolen bagpipe, but of force must yield to such inevitable shame. So, to answer your question, just as there is no clear reason why one man doesn't want to see a roast pig, or why another man can't stand a harmless cat, and some other persons can't tolerate bagpipes, it is a kind of music, but of force, my yield to such inevitable shame as to offend himself being offended. So, can I give no reason? Nor I will not. More than a loathed hate and a certain loathing, I bear Antonio that I follow thus a losing suit against him. Are you answered? Here Shylock says, so I can't give a reason, and I won't give a reason, other than the simple hate and the loathing I feel for Antonio. Why I am pursuing this unprofitable case against him. Does that answer your question? Bassanio, this is no answer, thou unfeeling man, to excuse the current of thy cruelty. Here, after listening Shylock, Bassanio says, that's no answer. You heartless man, it doesn't excuse your cruel behavior. Shylock, I am not bound to please thee with my answers. At this, Shylock says, I am under no obligation to make my answers please you. I don't have to give you answers that you like. Bassanio, do all men kill the things they do not love? Here Bassanio says, do all men kill anything they do not like? Shylock, hates any man the thing he would not kill. At this, Shylock says, is there any man who does not kill the thing that he truly hates? Bassanio, every offense is not a hate at first. At this, Bassanio replies, every fault need not to be turned into a cause of hatred. Shylock, what? Wouldest thou have a serpent sting thee twice? At this, Shylock says, what? Would you give an enemy a second chance to hurt you? Children, here Shylock and Bassanio are into a conversation where Bassanio is trying to convince Shylock not to take the forfeiture, and Shylock is adamant to take his forfeiture from Antonio. Children, that's all for today, and rest of the things we will discuss tomorrow in our next video.